Oh, hey guys, it's me, Claudio, from math class this morning. Bunch of other times. Just wanted to quickly go over the little bit of bonus credit that we have there, the 5-point bonus credit on your attendance ticket. If I get that out of the way, hopefully it'll come into resolution again. There we go. Said, what percentage of letters in the Roman alphabet, which we still use frequently today, appear in the Roman numeral system, which we use litala, just like cats can have litala salami as a treat. We don't feast on Roman numerals. We feast on Hindu Arabic, but we have litala Roman numerals as a treat sometimes, right? So we know that we use 7 characters, right? Yeah, there's a vacuum too, but that's not a character in the sense, all right? We're talking just letters. 7 letters out of, A to Z. We, hopefully if we graduated like 3rd grade, we know there's 26 letters in the Roman alphabet that's used in the English language and many others. So we're talking about 7 out of 26, right? So if you're your calculator, which you guys always do, you just plug that in and let's just find out. We get power of the information superhighway at our fingertips. We get 7 divided by 26. You get 0.269. Blah, 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 blah. We don't work out sandwiches. We don't need to worry about any of that. We're just going to take this first 3 words. We're going to slide that decimal point over 2 pages. We're going to call that 26.9%, right? But we can bounce that. Let's say, let's say we did this without the benefit of a calculator. I am just all up in this thing's light. All right, nobody wants to see me anyway. So here we have a correct answer, but we could actually get it without the calculator. Because what we're going to do, lop over to my extraordinarily primitive presentation here. Sorry, I kind of suck at drawing in MS Paint, but like who doesn't? Here we've got, we know 7, right? Again, we've all at least mastered like elementary school level academics, where the background we're coming from, or equivalent. We should all know that 7 goes into 28 4 times, and 7 goes into 21 3 times. So 7 should go into 26, somewhere between those numbers. And we know from doing fractions and percentages that we're talking somewhere between 25% and 33.333, 33.3 repeating, 33 and 30, whatever you want to call it. 3 countries, you can call it whatever you want. But we know it's going to be between 0.25 and 0.33, right? That's how it's expressed percentages as a decimal. So you have a 50-50 chance. Like right off the bat, with multiple choice, we can eliminate this and this. It's it's 29.6 or it's 26.9. Right? So you get a 50-50 shot. And if you want to think like, okay, is it 7 into 26? Falls between 7 into 21 and 7 into 28. 26 is a little closer to 28, right? Than it is to 21. So it's going to be a little closer to that quarter than to a third. So in terms of the percentage expressed as a decimal, it's going to be that smaller, closer to that 25% than that 33%. So this is the kind of logic that you would apply if you encounter something like this on a quiz. And of course, since we have all that stuff fresh in our minds, we know how to say that letters used, right, to letters not used in Roman numerals. We were to express that as a ratio. I'm going to say 7 to 19, right? There's 26 letters total. We're only using 7. That leaves a remainder of 19. You know, if we don't have Z or Q in Roman numerals, all those guys, there's actually 19 of those, right? So the ratio of used to not used is 7 to 19, but ratio can mean different things contextually. So we can also be talking about ratio of used to the whole, right? 7 to 26. We can also write this as a fraction, right? We can do 7/26 of the letters in the English language and the Roman alphabet are used in Roman numerals. And, you know, you would want to look at that and say, can I simplify that? And the answer is no. It's just an ugly little fraction that you're stuck with. You can pretty it up by, you know, drawing your letters as ornately as you like. You can do your 7 with or without the porn stash. I like it. But yeah, that's it. Just make sure that you keep all these kind of rudimentary math concepts fresh in mind, because they're gonna keep rearing their heads. And you know, you're definitely gonna get some questions on the PTC that are not specifically pharmacy related. They're just gonna be like, hey, do you know basic stuff? And can you apply common sense and logic to, you know, rule out the nonsensical answers and get to the good ones. All right, well, enjoy the rest of your Monday. You know, how long I've been going on here, but this is like another 5 minutes of your day, and then school's out. So, you know, hey, if you watch this, power to you. But I'll see you next time. Not in YouTube, but like breathing the same air and stuff again. I hope, unless, who knows, like the, yeah, nuclear Armageddon could happen, I guess, technically any moment. You never know. Sorry, I grew up in the 80s, so it's a real and present fear. And, you know, they still exist. You never know. Some guy with power and codes gets mad. All right, humanity, you had a good run. All right, so the video's done. I'm gonna end it.